I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb.
So I'm out on my deck, and the goal is to clean the deck and get it ready for summer. I'm showing y'all my vegetable plants. In March, I planted some seeds. I planted some green beans, some kale, and beets. Unfortunately, the only thing that survived was the green bean plant. So it's going pretty strong, and pretty soon I should see some beans growing. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I have a tomato plant that I got from Walmart and a new Boston fern plant. I also purchased a new tulip plant, and I have strawberry plants that I purchased from Walmart. They are doing okay. I don't think I put enough water. I have to water them a little bit more, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted on everything and let y'all know if I get a harvest from them. Last summer, I got a aluminum gazebo from Home Depot. It was on sale. So this is just footage from last year when I had it installed. This is a much sturdier gazebo. I don't have to worry about taking it down every year. I hope it lasts me for a few years. It wasn't that expensive. It was only about $3.99, so that wasn't a bad deal. If I can, I'll leave a link in the description if you may be interested in purchasing it, but I don't know if it's going to be that price because it was on sale around the 4th of July last year.
So don't let the wind kiss your face. No, don't let nothing take my place.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know still keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is golden. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, almost kicked in and lit my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam.
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. On this channel, you will see DIY, home decor, lifestyle. If you like that type of content, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And if you are a returning friend, hey girl.
Baby squatter, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need.
Now I'm putting down this outdoor rug that I purchased from Amazon. It was $20. I was in need of a new outdoor rug. My other one, I wouldn't say it ran its course, but I just needed a new one. And this wasn't a bad price. So if you're interested in this, I will leave a link in the description if I can. It's not sponsored. I'm just sharing just in case anyone in the comments may like it. Alright y'all, so this is it for now. Come back for part 2 and leave me some comments, ask me some questions, let me know what y'all think about what I've done so far. Like this video up for me.